Mustang Coupe.
Sorry, Ed. I know, we're almost out of here.
Good price on this car if you're interested. Check it out.
I had to show this thing.
$24,900.
$24,900.
That motor alone is
It's got machine gun turrets on the front. That's hilarious. Do they spin? See if they spin. They spin. They're actually geared.
Yeah,
they must be an electric motor.
Mm-hmm.
It's over the top. Well, everything's over the top on this car. Look at this thing.
I think they shoot fire too.
Army altered. Must be an army guy. Look at this gun on the top. I didn't even notice these things. The Enforcer. He's got tank buster missiles. Wow. This was seconds till mission complete. 450 seconds. There I am. Army. Very cool. Anti-aircraft. Sending it up in the air. Look at this dash. Wow. Wow. That's cray-cray. That's what my daughter says. Of course, you have to have a skull shifter on one of these cars. Of course. He even has a mirrored skull in the back. This guy is definitely from the Army. Hoorah! Well, that's Marines, but you know what I mean. All right, had to show it. You can find anything here at the Classic Auto Mall. And this car was built by Bill. Oh, there he is! Look, just as I'm talking about him, he's driving by. This is his work. Bill had a garage. Oh, look at this. Look, see the pride? Look at the pride. You should be proud. Oh, he's opening the hood, like every good car. Oh. Oh, it's all in the timing, guys. I'd like to say that was set up, but it wasn't. Bill just happened to be driving by as I'm focusing on this Comet. He built this car in his shop, and it was at the Philadelphia Auto Show, and it's an award winner, right, Bill?
Yes.
How many awards did it win? Do you know?
Oh, it was in the
remember?
Motor Showcase at Louisville a few years ago for the NSRA Nationals.
Yeah.
It only has 1,600 miles on it.
Wow.
And I put 800 of them on it, breaking it in for the customer.
Look, breaking it in for the customer.
Yeah.
That takes courage. I always say that just being on the road with these cars is so dangerous with texting and everything.
Well, everything's brand new.
I know.
The whole car's brand new.
I'm always just scared of getting hit, but I've taken cars out too.
That's why they call it insurance.
Yeah. That's a clean Comet, guys. Nice work. She's straight. You want them straight. Wow. Nice work. That is passion. Look at the paint. That's the paint. That's how you know you got good paint. And it's a mirror. That is love for a car. That's caring for every detail.